Good afternoon, everybody. Another example of one of our custom crate engines here. Happens to be the 440, but it's a stroker 500 cubic inch. We got this painted Hemi orange. Then we dialed it in all black. Nice black Holly sniper covers. We got a nice black serpentine kit on here. We got the Phytech EFI system. These are phenomenal. And again, all quality parts in the center. Forged crank, H-beam rods, forged piston, hand filed. We got a fantastic camshaft in this, makes a real great thumping sound, and also responsive. That's how we build motors here. So if you're looking for something custom built with quality parts, you could sure trust on the boys at Proformance Unlimited. 1-800-267-3940. Peace and God bless. Thank you. All right, Mike, we got your 68 Dodge Cornet Chrysler 500 EFI engine on the dyno. Fire her up. Nice. Still learning this idle. When it's done, it'll come down to about 850. horsepower, 634 foot-pounds of torque. Very nice.